lovely people. As you all can see, there's a prayer on. And we all had bath for the prayer. So this is just so interesting. My first ever experience watching something like this. So these are candid videos that you can only watch on this phone on my channel. It's very impressive. Oh, no. This is so cool. Yeah. That's like a prayer, and this is how just outside Guntur looks. I'm so glad. And here someone is on their Ayyapashanam thing to dry. But yeah, I'm here. No, I'm glad So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's a crowded train, so difficult to shoot really.